idea na sinugod ni Ma'am si Attorney Mer sa Keystone. Masama yung pakiramdam ko kanina kaya hindi ako nakapasok.
Bakit naman kasi ginawa niya yon? Is this because of your dad again?
Mom must have snapped. Last time, nahuli namin si Dad na kasama si Attorney Mer sa si Lilet. Para bang pinaplano na nila kung paano nila aayusin yung pamilya nila? Sobrang nasaktan si Mom.
That's not true, Trixie. Narinig kong nag-usap sila. And Matty even told your dad to stay away from her.
Sa totoo lang, I don't know what to believe anymore.
Believe me, Trixie. Hindi kayang gawin ni Matty yun. Hindi niya kayang manira ng ibang tao. She's just doing what's right. She taught me that. To never hurt others. No matter what.
Are you sure?
Yes. I just totally forget that when it comes to Lilet. You know what? I remember when I was younger, I used to sneak out of the house without telling Matty. We have this small gate na walang lock sa likod ng bahay namin. At doon ako dumadaan at tumatakas, especially pag hindi ako pinapayagan ni Matty na lumabas. And then nung nahuli niya ako, she didn't even scold me once. She lectured me and reminded me of what's right every single day. So from then, lahat ng pagkakamali ko, itinatama ni Matty, especially when I'm hurting other people. But of course, it's different when you're older and when you have your own mind. I'm not as obedient as I was. And Matty is just as hard on herself. She'd rather suffer para lang hindi makapanakit ng iba.
Lumakad, subukan mong iusan ang mga paa. Kahit isang